Alright, so in this short video, I want to show you the process of signing up with our program or platform that we are using to start off your streams of income, the $5 program. Alright, so the first thing would be to get to the website of your sponsor, the person who is bringing you into the program. I'm going to be creating an account here for the demonstration purposes, but it's an account that will actually be used. So I'm going to be creating an account for one of my friends. So in this case, my website is www.5dollargem.com/buy-to-debt, where buy-to-debt here is my username. Oops, alright, that was an error right there. Let me just redo that. www.5dollargem.com/BYE2DEBT. Alright, so you want to make sure that what's after the slash is the username of your sponsor. That needs to be correct. Alright, and then you go off, so you will get the site that you need to join from. We will send you the link because we're going to be doing this in a particular order. We want to keep this organized, we want to keep it streamlined to ensure that each person earns. So we will be coordinating the sign up links. We'll send that to you. Then you get to this page, you click join us. Alright, there you go. It says your referrer is Teddy Jones, username buy-to-debt. And so you'll see something like that. So let's go. We're going to create the account details, starting with username. I'm creating this account for Damian Beezer. So let's say I give him the username Damian B. That's his username. His email address I know is Damian Beezer at yahoo.com. Confirm the email, Damian Beezer at yahoo.com. This is to ensure consistency. Alright, so we are here. Scroll down, choose a password. I'm going to choose a password for him. Now, when you're choosing your password, a few things to bear in mind. Your password needs to be a strong password, so don't use easy to guess things like your name, where you live, your date of birth, those kinds of things. You want to choose something that's not going to be easy to guess, and then you strengthen your password by putting at least one of the letters in capital, and it's always good to add a number and, where possible, a punctuation mark like an exclamation sign, the @ sign, a $sign, something like that. That makes a very strong password. Then user security PIN. This is going to be needed to do certain things inside the program. I think like when you're doing withdrawals, this is for additional security. So just like how you put a PIN for your bank card, you put a numerical PIN, something like that. And you might want to use the same PIN that you currently use for your bank card, since you already should know what it is, to make it easier for you to remember what you put in the $5 program. Full name, let's go, put this in capital, Damian Beezer, select sex, male. Project needs, I know he's studying, and so I'm going to say, let's say, education. You can choose for here. Remember, this is a platform that helps you to raise funds for various projects. So you see what are some of the options: buy a car, buy a home, cancer treatment, churches and religious organization, clubs and organization, community, emergency, events, family, etc. You choose one, then address, say 8 3/4 Grants Pen Drive, Kingston 8. Date of birth is 1990 March 23. City is Kingston. State, let's put KI. Country, Jamaica. Zip code or pin code. This often confuses persons because they say that Jamaica doesn't use zip code. What we actually use postal codes. Here it's not really, it's either here or there really. You just want 5 digits, so I normally just use 0008. Right, any 5 digits numbers will work here. And then telephone number 8275192. This number. It's important here you select these boxes. I agree. Make sure you read these to see what you're agreeing to. You select those, and then you scroll down and you click next. The next page gives you a summary of the information that you put in. Just double check. Country, Jamaica, username Damian B, full name Damian Biza, sex male, address, right? That's there. If everything is correct, you click confirm sign up. If it's not correct, you click back and you make the changes. So it's good to go here. I'm going to click confirm sign up. And congratulations for creating an account with $5DollarGem. Your account has been approved now. You'll be able to start promoting $5DollarGem. Please click here to log in, and you click there, put in your username and your password, and you're going to be taken into the back office. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you log in and what the back office looks like, the different tabs there, and what they do, and how you move from being a free member to an upgraded member, which is by, of course, paying a donation forward to somebody else who is in the program. $5, your first donation, to get you started on the process of giving help and receiving help towards your project. Alright, so thanks guys. It's very, very simple, not difficult. Let's not complicate this. Let's get it going. I know some persons may have issues if they're using their cell phone. Depending on what smartphone you're using, it may have some problems. If you encounter problems with that, then you'll probably have to try and get to a laptop, or if you don't have one, find somebody who has one, send them the page, and then have them put in the information for you over the phone on their laptop or computer. And then, like for the password, what you can do is just choose something simple when they are signing you up, like 1 2 3 4 5 6, or capital A 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then when you get in now, you change your password to a secure password if you're concerned about the person who is creating the account for you knowing what your password is. Alright, so that's it. Let's get going. Let's rock this. Let's change the situation of others around us, and in so doing, we will also be changing our situation. We're paying it forward, and we are going to receive in return as we give. See you on the next video.